We're talking about receiving aircrafts correctly. Today, what you gotta do is get your MOC over to the casino and then put a motorcycle in the back of it. It's gotta be a two-seater. You gotta own one of them so you can prevent any confusion. So I use the Batty 801 or the BF400. So I'm just going to show you guys the bike right there. There it is. It's a BF400. So you put that in your MOC, right? Then you do the give cars to friends glitch. You go up into the casino. In the parking garage. Get back on the bike. Hit right on the D-pad and get outside again. Pull that sucker up so it's ready. Go back in, enter on foot. Enter the penthouse garage. Everything like normal. Give cars to friends so far. Alright, run to the elevator. Do the same shit you always do. Hit the X on the top of the controller after you select penthouse. And just wait until your character dies and spawns outside. Alright. Now we make our way back over to the bike. And my friend is bringing me a plane so I can make this video for him. That way he can prevent getting any other dead slots in his hangar by using cars. So anyway, that'll be the plane that we're getting. It's a pyro. I already have a pyro, but this one's different. So that's what it's going to look like. And I'll take you guys up to the hangar and show you when I'm done so you can see that I actually received it and got it stored in the hangar properly. So he got to get on and pause it like normal. Now here's where shit changes a little bit. So you go up into the back of the MOC, press right on the D-pad, kick your friend off, back up till you don't see the alert, get off your bike, return it to storage, do 2 story mode alerts and cancel them. Call out any plane that you don't mind losing. So I'm going to use the ultralight. If I had a regular pyro, I'd use it. Okay, I wait for the ultralight to appear, do another story mode alert or 2, jump up into the back of the MOC, do another story mode alert and cancel it. And about every 5 or 6 seconds, do a story mode alert on your way over to the airplane. Because you can't really go out of spawn distance, but you can go this far. So just make sure you don't become visible again by doing repeated story mode alerts and canceling them. As you can see, I only did about 4 or 5, whatever. And then get in the pyro or whatever plane you're getting. Alright. Now it's in the back of the MOC. Now in order to get it into the hangar, there's 2 ways to do it. And you can fly it into your hangar, you know, but in order to get it in there correctly with no dead spot for sure, you just take your little... Hold on, let me switch videos. Alright, next video. The other one started over and I didn't quite catch it. But anyway, so you just go up into the... I'm going to go up into the back of the MOC to show you guys that I got the plane, right? So it's, you still see that I'm doing the same process here. There's the pyro, okay? Now what I was trying to say to you was, in order to get this into your hangar properly, for sure, with no dead spots, is you got to register as an MC president and then call out the bike that you used, which was the BF400. Whoops, I passed it. So I'm going to go back around to the BF400 because I only own one of those to prevent any confusion. Call it out. Drive it up into the back of the MOC. My friend is watching right now. Okay, accept the alert. It'll be transferred to a garage. You notice it didn't give me the clubhouse alert. So that's what we're going for. So we just take this character over to the hangar now. And show you guys that the plane is in there. That my friend flew over there. And when he flew it over there, it wasn't showing a plane icon on the map. You remember that. So give me just a second to transfer over to the next the hangar. Yeah, it'll be the next video. Hold on just a second. Alright, I'm back at the hangar. So this is the last little clip here that I gotta do a voiceover on, so you guys will get the process correctly and not have no dead spots in your hangars. So my little guy walks up in here to the hangar soon. Come on, dude. Alright. And we're going to look for that pyro on sticks. Like I said, I already got a pyro, so I'm just going to pull them both out so you guys can see that I did receive it, and it is in the storage of my hangar when you use the bike to push it to the hangar like that. Hangar looks empty, but there's just so much stuff in there. You can't really fit it all out on the floor anyway, so go to the storage. I want to put the pyro here, and then look for my other little pyro. That's the one we received. See, the color scheme is the same right there, but just to be sure, in case my eyes betray me, yeah, so the first one is it right there on the left. That's the one we just got. So it works, man, and that's how you do it without getting dead spots. Alright, so hope this helps y'all out, and do me a favor and fucking like the video and comment or something if it helped you out. Trying to get monetized on this shit. Alright, peace.